Hello everyone and welcome back to the AppJobs channel, where we talk about all the ways you can make money using your phone. So before going through our video today, I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel so you always know when we have a new video coming. We have videos up Mondays, Thursdays, and every 2 weeks we have a live stream happening here too. So yes, subscribe so you always know when it's been updated. And now we can go to our video. So are you a stay-at-home mom that is struggling to think about ways that you can make that extra money and bring it to your house? Or just for yourself really, so you can spend it the way you want? Well, we gather here 3 YouTubers that share their experience, tips, insights, and everything related to getting side hustles or extra jobs that can help you with your income. So you can check out the YouTube channels and get some valuable information and first-hand input on which jobs to take and what is actually gonna contribute financially to your family. Home rental and babysitting with Stormy Harris. Stormy is a stay-at-home mom, and through her YouTube channel, you can learn how her everyday mom life is like. How to save money and how to make money with side hustles that would fit in your mom's schedule. Some of the suggestions include space renting with Airbnb, for example. Airbnb is an excellent opportunity for you to make money without doing anything. Passive income. You can earn from $30 to $50 per night renting a room and have nothing to worry about because Airbnb is a trustworthy platform that's been out there for a while. So they verify their users with reviews and create a reliable community. Moreover, you can enjoy a customer service that is 24 hours available for you whenever you need. Stormy also take up some babysitting jobs. I mean, she's already a mom, she knows how to take care of kids, so why not take care of one more kid and get some money for it? Babysitting jobs can be easily combined with having your own kids. You already have the creativity on how to entertain the kids, you know what they're supposed to eat or not, or what they're supposed to do or not. And if you're a mom, you know what you're doing, right, if you're babysitting. So why not check out babysitting job offers at AppJobs.com. Take pictures with 6-figure mastermind. Marianne considers herself a mentor. Follow her up if you are the creative type that would like to start making money with your own photography business from home. She started on her own 20 years ago and has a lot to share on her channel. Not only for photography, but for also other kinds of businesses. And if you're interested, you can of course find many photography job offers at AppJobs.com, especially in the category freelance. Check out a photography platform called Foodora, for example. You can sell your photographs, your videos, your illustrations, anything like that. They would be published both on Foodora and Adobe Stock Photo, and you can earn royalties for years to come. Your work on the platform can be sold for $1 to $20, for example. Online selling and freelancing with Mama Fur. Jennifer is a Scottish mom of 2 young boys, a stepmama for 3 others, and an entrepreneur. Her channel is all about budgeting, managing savings, achieving financial independency, and many other similar subjects. She herself had tried many different ways to make money as a stay-at-home parent, so she has a lot of useful insights to tell you. Some of her ideas include selling online with Etsy and making freelance jobs with Fiverr. So if you are crafty and like to make your handmade items, you can sell your things with Etsy and get the passive income you need. You could sell soap, knits, jewelry, paintings, illustrations, anything that you can do it with your hands basically. And you can earn from $15 to $100 depending on the item you're selling and how much effort you put into it. And the quality, of course. But Fiverr is another platform where you can actually sell any kind of freelance service you can think of. So you can do since marketing tips or being a spokesperson on a video, or even give cat advice or take tarot cards or whatever you're good at. You just need to sell your service that is freelance on the platform and you can make money. And you can start off with $5 first, but depending on your job, you can decide your rates and how much people are gonna pay for it. And that's pretty much it for our list. All of these YouTubers are gonna be cited in the link in the description box, so make sure to check that out before leaving. And also check out AppJobs.com. I mean, if you go there, you can see all the categories that are available for you. And when you click on the one you like, you can see the job offers available in your city. After you sign in or join now, you just need to select your working city and start browsing away and seeing what kind of jobs match you better. You can compare them, you can see the ones you fulfill the requirements already, There's so many interesting things to happen there. So if you like freelancing, home rental, pet sitting, babysitting, any kind of the categories we talked here, you know where to go. Go to appjobs.com. And that's pretty much it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down there saying if you went there and checked out these really cool YouTubers. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!